In this video, we will see how to find the lexicographical maximum subsequence for a string. It is actually a problem from Codeforces round 124. You will find the problem link in the description box. Here, you will be given a string and you will have to find the lexicographical maximum subsequence for the string. Definitely the lexicographically largest character will be the first character in our answer sequence. One thing we have to notice that some sequence S1 is lexicographically larger than some sequence S2. So it is easy to see that we always have to take the leftmost largest character while traversing from left to right. So every time we pick up the leftmost largest character, then we have to do the same thing also for the rest of the string. For example, consider this string. Here the leftmost largest character is D. So after appending the character D to the answer sequence, we are going to find the leftmost largest character for the remaining part of the string. And this character is also D. So we append this character to the answer sequence. Now remaining string is AB, where B is the leftmost largest character, and so we also append it to the answer sequence. So we can find our answer sequence in this way. So now the question arises in front of us is how we can efficiently calculate the leftmost largest character for each suffix of the string. For this purpose, we can pre-calculate it for each position and store them in an array. You can see that I have used an array named max to store the leftmost largest character for each suffix, and I have also stored its index in another array so that I can use this information later in my program. This way the pre-calculation will take order of n complexity, and then we can find leftmost largest character in order of 1 for each suffix. After the pre-calculation, we will traverse the array by jumping from one leftmost largest character to another for remaining suffixes from time to time, and construct the answer sequence. I will add my solution code in the description. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for new updates. Thanks for watching.